The Lane Departure Warning (LDW) and Intelligent Lane Intervention (ILI) systems are activated at speeds of approximately 37 miles per hour and above, and only when the lane markings are clearly visible on the road. These systems help monitor the lane markers on the traveling lane using a camera unit located above the inside mirror. The LDW system is activated when the camera detects that the vehicle is approaching the left or the right side of the traveling lane. A blinking lane departure warning indicator light appears in the instrument panel, and the steering wheel will vibrate. When ILI is activated, the system automatically applies brief brake force to help return the vehicle back to the traveling lane. Push the ProPilot Assist button located here to activate the ILI system. To enable or disable the systems, use these controls to select settings, driver assistance, lane assist, then select the system you want to turn on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.